Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss one of the Scala interview question. So the ask is, what is string builder in Scala? Okay, well, we will try to see the definition and few examples. First of all, right now we are in IntelliJ IDE. Let's try to create a sample object. Let's try to take object as demo, and the topic is string builder. Okay, so the importance of this, for example, if there is a situation where we need to perform repeated modifications to a string, then where its string builder class will be occurred. So there are a couple of important points which we will discuss. First of all, let's try to keep the definition in a situation where we need to perform repeated modifications to a string, then we need string builder class. So this is the definition which we can able to say, and then three important points to be noted when we handle string builder. So the first one is string builder class is beneficent for mutable strings to extend effectively. And point number 2, the instance of string builder is utilized like a string. And point number 3, strings of Scala are immutable. So when we require mutable string, then we can use of string builder. So let's keep it in mind of these 3 points while dealing with beneficent. So the 3 important points is the string builder class is beneficent for mutable strings to extend effectively, and we will try to see while we are dealing with example. The instance of string builder is utilized like a string, and the strings of a Scala are mutable. Immutable means once we declare, then it's not possible to change the value of that particular instance. So when we require mutable strings, then we can use of string builder. So right now, let's try to define the main function args array of string. Okay, so this is main method, and then now let's try to creating string builder. Let's try to take variable x equal to new string builder of, let's say, Krishna. Okay, now I would like to, so the name, full name is Krishnan. So right now the name is Krishna, which is available. Okay, how to append n in the last as a last character. So this is the case. We will append the character. Let's say appending character. How to append? Let's try to see. Well, y equal to, now let's apply for x plus equal to n. Okay, so this notation like plus equal to, it is going to append the for the existing variable, like whatever it holds, like right now say Krishna, so it will is going to append it for Krishna. Okay, now let's display the string after appending the character. Now let's try to do println of y. So right now all the all characters are resides under variable y. Now let's try to run this. See, it's added Krishna as it's added as Krishna. So this is a way, by using plus equal to notation, we are actually appending it, character, additional character for the existing string. Okay, so this is how, this is one of the example which we can talk about, and we will try to see another example. So let's say, for example, here let's consider it as author, and then I would like to append author of Gita. It should be basically author of Gita, but only we do have author. Now I have to append for half Gita is left over. Let's try to see how to handle that. So we will try to keep it as it is, and then let's try to add one more plus here, and then modify the characters which we want to display of Gita. Let's say let's keep in quotes. Now let's try to run and see. See, author of Gita. Now let's try to run and see author of Gita. So using plus equal to notation, which we are going to append more than one characters, more than one word. Okay, so using plus equal to notation under within quotes which we are declaring it as. Okay, now we would like to see another kind of example. So let's say, for example, number of books. So I would like to add, so the number of books value for this. Okay, for example, let's say the integer, it's a 10 books or 20 books or 30 books. How to append that? We will try to see that into. Now let's say, well, x dot, let's use the append. We do have built-in append method. Let's say 10, number of books is 10. Okay, now let's try to run and see this. See, number of books is 10. Yeah. So and so this is how we can able to append. So using this we can able to append as well. Let's see how to do deletion. Let's say there is a string called biotechnology. Okay, now I would like to delete. So rather append, just remove append and then try to apply delete. And what characters we would like to, we are interested basically 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's say 11 comma 12. Okay, or else let's say 1 comma 3. Okay, now we will try to see whether this is going to remove 1 to 3 characters or not. See, B technology. See here starts from 1. So 1 means here I, 0 1, it starts from I and 2 until 3 means I and O, it's get rid of. So 1 and 3 means B technology. Okay, so this is how we can able to apply the built-in delete method in order to delete it. So now we have seen append as well as delete. Now we would like to see how to convert the another example, how to convert string builder into string. We will try to see that particular conversion. Now let's say we do have string biotechnology string builder. Now how to see this is belongs to which type or which class. Okay, now let's try to print, let's say x dot get class. Okay, and then now let's say y equal to x dot, let's say to string. Now we would like to see the type of this println, let's say slash n plus, let's say x dot get class dot to string. Okay, I would like to see the type of that. Now let's say println of x, and also this is println of y. Okay, now let's try to run and see. See, the first one is string builder and the second one is, sorry, it's y. Now let's try to run and see. See, from string builder to string which is converted. Okay, by applying toString method we are converting string builder to string, and this is the string. Okay, so this is how we can able to do the conversion from string builder to string. Okay, so this is the third example which we can able to observe. Okay, so that's all for today's session, guys. This is all about string builder. We have seen 3 to 4 different kind of examples. If you really like it, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.